Hi guys, this is the introduction video to our first course at PS Actions Club. You can find this on our academy, whether you're a member of the club or not. It's our first course, it's free for everyone. The course is simply titled How to Use Photoshop Actions. Now what this course is going to do is it's going to teach you the basics of Photoshop Actions, how to install them, how to use them, how to chain them together, do all kinds of things with them. Obviously that's going to depend on the actions you're using a little bit. Our actions are a little bit different to other people's. But basically this course is to help you get started and to help you get towards using Adobe Photoshop Actions like a pro. There's a lot of reasons you might use Photoshop Actions. Of course, this course is aimed at photographers because we're photographers ourselves. That's how we got around to using actions. They speed up our workflow, save us a lot of time, and if you're not really advanced in Adobe Photoshop, then they can actually bridge that gap of knowledge and that gap of skill that takes years to acquire. So that's the idea for this course, is help you get from A to Z and really learn how to use your Photoshop actions and get the best out of them. In this course we're going to be using this particular stock photo. This stock photo has come from, I think, Deposit Photos, so we're available to use it. We don't have to give credit to the photographer, but in future I'd like to use some of your guys' photos for the future courses. So you send them in and request that we use them in a course or a tutorial on the PS Actions Club site. We will definitely do so and we'll definitely give credit. So yeah, we're going to get started, and the first lesson is going to be installing your actions. So we'll see you in the first lesson.